Hey, this is tip number 8 for managing and marketing your plaintiff's personal injury law firm. Purpose, values, and mission. Most law firms just run around, they're trying to make money, but there's got to be something, a higher purpose for your law firm than simply making money and staying in business. Because whether it's you or your team members, you got to know that there's something more, some higher purpose that you have, and that is the purpose of your law firm. So going back to October of 2013, I was at a mastermind with the executive team of Infusionsoft in Chandler, Arizona, and we spent about 2.5 days trying to figure out the purpose, values, and mission that I should have for the law firm. But after about 2.5 days, we came up with the purpose, and it was a good one, and it's lasted to this day. Stopping medical injustice. That's the reason why our law firm exists. So whenever we have a decision to make, stopping medical injustice is the North Star that guides the decision-making process. It's not, let's make as much money as possible, but stopping medical injustice. So that is sort of the filter that we use to determine what we're going to do when new cases come to us, things of that nature. Now, the core values of the law firm, totally different thing. In October of 2013, we started out with 10 core values. They sounded great, but they were meaningless. So these were aspirational values, meaning the things that we kind of would like our law firm to be like, the picture perfect values that mean absolutely nothing. And in this case, there was a bunch of 10 core values that no one would have remembered, one of which was we treat our clients like family. That's not true. And aspirational means they sound good, but they're not real. So after I got back, I realized there was a process that I needed to follow, and that was to get our team members to co-create our firm's core values. So we set aside time, and over the course of about 2.5 years, we whittled those core values way down. We gutted them. And we developed 4 core values that are alive and well to this day, and they govern everything. Number 1, we only practice catastrophic injury law. Number 2, we never agree to confidential settlements. Number 3, we do not accept cases that have questionable merit. And number 4, we are brutally honest with our clients and with each other. Those are 4 core values. We framed them in our lobby of our law firm and in our main conference room. And it's essential that when someone applies to work with us, that they're able to recite the 4 core values. It's so critical because this is the code of conduct that governs everything that we do. Core values are so essential. In Jim Collins' book, Good to Great, he said the firms that last, that endure, have a set of core values that the team knows, that everyone follows, and it guides them because they have a higher purpose. Now, mission, the mission of our law firm, and this has been established since October of 2013, and it's still good to this day, is back then it was to have 500 referral partners. A referral partner is a lawyer who refers at least one case to us in the span of the last 3 years. And when we started out, we had 124 referral partners. We surpassed our goal of 500. We set a deadline for this. We surpassed the goal. We now have 569 referral partners, and we reset our mission to 1,000 referral partners. So everyone knows we have a gong in my office that we strike whenever a new referral partner refers a case to us. So we celebrate that. Everyone, they might not know the precise number, but they have a pretty good idea, and we do celebrate it. So everybody is aware that our goal as a firm, our mission, is to get 1,000 referral partners, and we have a date, October 19th, and I believe that's 2026. So that is the mission of our law firm: purpose, stopping medical injustice, the 4 core values, and the mission of the law firm. This is essential stuff. Firms and businesses, whether big or small, that succeed have a set of purpose, values, and mission that they're not only that the owner knows, but the team knows. And this is so essential because if your team members don't know why you're in business, that you're fighting for a higher purpose than simply running a business and making money, then life is, they won't be excited or motivated or enthusiastic about anything. It is so essential to running a business to have a set of purpose, values, and mission. So those 4 core values I gave you, they're real. We practice those every day. There's no fluff. There's no aspirational values. These are things we actually do, and they guide us. And so we use them. For example, if somebody calls our firm and they say, hey, they have a case, we're not interested, the case doesn't meet our criteria, one of the core values is we are brutally honest with our clients. And we'll tell it like it is. The case doesn't meet our criteria. We'd love to help you, but I'm sorry. And so it sort of guides our conduct every single day. We don't accept cases that have questionable merit. If a case is sort of like this, we decline on it. We want cases that are rock solid and super easy. So my challenge to you, read Jim Collins' book, Good to Great, and all of his books are amazing. And then come up with a purpose, values, and mission. And just keep in mind that your values and probably your purpose, it will evolve over time as you get your team to co-create your values and purpose and mission. It is really critical. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment, like it, share it. Let me know that you liked it. I will respond. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.